In this video, I'm going to show you how you can double your backlinks using tiered link building and how you can grow your website even faster. Tiered link building will help you to maximize your link building potential and get more backlinks from your current link building strategy. However, it can also be risky, so it's important that you stop doing odd tiered link building techniques and learn new ways of doing tiered link building effectively, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Also, if you do not know what's tier link building and what is tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, check out my articles where I'm going in more depth about tier link building. So how do you build tier backlinks effectively? The old-fashioned tier link building, where you build high-quality backlinks to your website, low-quality backlinks to your high-quality backlinks, and total trash quality backlinks to your low-quality backlinks, are gone. Capito. Finish. In other words, it doesn't work anymore. Now, the new tier link building way is to build only high-quality backlinks to your website and to your tier backlinks as well. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new way of tier link building that actually works and can bring you long-lasting benefits. Also, I recommend you to check out my guide on high-quality backlinks so you know what actually makes high-quality backlinks. Because, trust me, it's not only what you think. Alright, so to get started. The step 1 is to create topic clusters. Topic clusters are the fundamental part of your SEO strategy, and it's important to plan your topic clusters together when link building to see the best positive results. I highly recommend you to create topic clusters around your main product or service category keyword. To learn more, you can check out my SEO lead generation guide right here. But to give you an example. For example, if you are selling project management software, then you would create topic clusters around project management. It's important to know that topic clusters are made of all types of pages, whether it is products, categories, service pages, as well as blog posts. The complete topic cluster should have keywords with all types of search intent, from informational, commercial to transactional. Because this will help you to ensure you are covering as much about the topic as possible and creating an SEO funnel to drive brand awareness for your brand, as well as lead generation from your product or service pages. Also, as said in Google's helpful content update, this is one of the warning signals that this update might hit you harder than your grandma's spatula. Are you producing lots of content on different topics in hopes that some of it might perform well in search results? And this is important because Google wants expertise and focus. So, if you are a jack of all topics, Google sees you as a master of none, because they want content that comes from those people that are gaining expertise by focusing on one particular topic. And by focusing on these topic clusters, you will pass this test, young SEO 1. Alright, so step 2 is to create a proper internal linking structure. Internal links are arguably one of the most important on-page SEO factors that you should be optimizing for, as they can improve your overall ranking, helps you drive more website traffic, bring more sales, leads, and improve your overall website performance. And the reason why they can improve your website performance in so many ways is that they can pass the link juice from one of your pages to another one, allowing you to effectively collect and spread your link juice across your entire website. And on top of that, creating topic clusters and connecting content from topic cluster with internal links is one of the key steps in building semantic SEO on your website. It will help you to build strong topical authority and relevance on your website. This will help you to spread the link juice to your money pages and create an SEO funnel in order to improve your ranking for your profitable keywords to generate more SEO leads. So make sure you link from your informational content to your commercial and transactional content, so that once you will be building backlinks, you can rank for your important money keywords to increase your SEO lead generation. The step number 3 is build tier 1 backlinks to your topic clusters. As said, here you will want to build only high quality backlinks for your website using a mix of common link building strategies such as resource link building, press release link building, link exchange, hero link building, guest postings, skyscraper technique, and others. It's important that if you want to start with tier link building, make sure you can do guest blogging, as this will be the main way to build your tier 2 backlinks. Also, depending on your website size and authority, you will build backlinks on websites with different authority levels. For example, if your website authority is 30 according to your SEO tool like SEO ranking, then I recommend you to start building backlinks on website with the website authority of plus minus 10 relative to yours. For example, 20 to 40 if you are 30. And then adjust as you grow. Because if you try to build backlinks on a website with high website authority, they most likely will ignore you. So don't waste those backlinks leads and save them for later. It's also important to consider the anchor text ratio for your backlinks to avoid spam detection. Here you can see how it works. Remember, it's very important that you follow link building best practices. Therefore, I recommend you to go on my website, go to SEO section, check out my link building best practices on header link building, guest posting, resource link building, and others. Alright, the step number 4 is build tier 2 backlinks to your tier 1 backlinks. Here is when you will want to maximize your current tier 1 backlinks opportunities to land tier 2 backlinks. So with that, here are some of my favorite ways to build tier 2 backlinks. Include tier 1 backlink in your guest posting. When you are writing a guest post, you can also include one backlink to your tier 1 as well as to your website. Do a 3-way link exchange with other websites, offering a backlink from one of your guest posts while they will give you a backlink from their website. Always share new tier 1 backlinks on social media. Every time I land a new backlink, be it organic or I build it, I try to share it on social media in the chance of getting a social signal and perhaps one lucky eyeball that links to the content. A link exchange. If you or somebody approaches you to do a link exchange, you can ask them to link to one of your tier 1 backlinks. This is when a 2-way link exchange is not possible and they don't want to link to your website and you link them from your website to their website. So instead of losing the opportunities altogether, at least you get it through your tier 1 backlink. Forum link building. If you are particularly active on forums, then you should definitely build some tier 2 backlinks there. Award press release. Create a press release about your recent awards. This is perfect to build newsworthy digital PR and boost your tier 1 backlinks with PR. Plus, they often link to you as well. Purchase cheaper niche edits. Buying cheaper niche edits, for example, you can use Fat Joe for your tier 1 backlinks, can still prove to be very effective. It can force Google to crawl your tier 1 placement, plus it can boost the authority. Article submission sites. Alright, this is a bit questionable. While I don't really like this, it can still help, especially by speeding up the crawling of the tier 1 backlink content or getting extra awareness, which can increase the chances of getting backlinks. With that, here are also some of the tier 2 link building best practices. Make sure to build backlinks to tier 1 backlinks that you would not be afraid to have pointing to your website. Keep up the relationship with those that gave you a backlink. Find tier 1 backlinks ranking close to the first position in Google. Remember, the higher the ranking position, the more backlinks the page generates. You want to have tier 1 backlinks ranking in the first position. Always inform about the tier 2 backlinks that you have built. Trust me, if you get 2 to 3 people doing it the same for you, it adds up pretty fast. A rule of reciprocity, but they need to know you did that. Cooperate on your tier 2 backlinks. Having a team of 2 to 5 partner websites cooperating on tier link building will help you to build high quality backlinks on a consistent basis much easier. And now I have also some of the things you should definitely avoid when doing tier 2 link building. Wasting time on worthless links like PBN, comment submission, and etc. This will not work and it will only damage your reputation if found out. Building links to the worthless pieces of content that never will rank anyway. You know those 500 words articles with zero value. Don't build backlinks to those. Using automation to build backlinks. As said, it's trash, doesn't work, and you would just become the shame of your family. Step number 5. Build tier 3 backlinks to tier 2 backlinks. So, once you know how to build backlinks to your tier 1 backlinks, you might ask yourself, well, I already did everything I can. What else is left? And you are right. There is nothing left because you don't build backlinks to your tier 2 link building. As said, you only build high quality backlinks when doing tier link building. Therefore, it has absolutely no economical sense to build backlinks to your tier 2 backlinks. So please don't do tier 3 backlinks anymore at this time. Because, as said, those trashy, poor quality backlinks don't work, so you won't be wasting your time on this and will stop spamming other websites. Just look at these genuine, non-generic comments. You think they work? With all that, when it comes to link building, it's not the only thing that matters in off-page SEO. That's why check out my off-page SEO guide to learn how to build trust with search engines like Google, even without link building, right here. Also, subscribe, like, and comment. Ciao!